Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, John from JZ SAT Tutoring, and today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be solving the first 4 practice questions from College Board's SAT practice test number 1. You can find this practice test on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below, so if you want to look at the test for yourself and follow along with me, you certainly can. And with that being said, let's get started. So, question number 1 says, if x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to k, and k is equal to 3, what is the value of x? Well, first, we're trying to solve for x, right? So x is right up here. Here we have 2 unknown variables. The question says that k is equal to 3, so then we could just substitute k in here for x minus 1 divided by 3, right? And then we could just substitute k with 3. Now, what we have to do is eliminate this fraction in order to isolate x. If we multiply this fraction by 3, we can eliminate its denominator. So we have to multiply it on 3 by both sides. You get x minus 1 is equal to 9, and then add 1 to both sides. You're going to get x is equal to 10. For question 2, it says, for I is equal to the square root of -1, what is the sum 7 plus 3i plus -8 plus 9i? Here we're lucky in that we don't have to distribute a negative, so what we can do is just simply rewrite this all together as 7 minus 8 plus 3i plus 9i, right? 7 minus 8 is just going to be -1, and then 3i and 9i put together is going to be equal to 12i. Hence, we get choice A. For question 3, it says, on Sunday afternoon or Saturday afternoon, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, and Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of messages sent by Armand and Tyrone on Saturday afternoon? Well, the number of texts per hour times the hours is just going to get you the amount of text, right? Because if you multiply a fraction by its denominator, you're just going to get its numerator. So, Armand sent M text messages each hour for 5 hours, that's 5M. And Tyrone sent P text messages each hour for 4 hours, plus 4P. Therefore, you get the equation 5M plus 4P, or choice C. For our last question, it says, Kathy is a repair technician for a phone company. Each week, she receives a batch of phones that need repairs. The number of phones that she has left to fix at the end of each day can be estimated with the equation P is equal to 108 minus 23D, where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she has worked in that week. What is the meaning of the value 108 in this equation? Well, if P is the number of phones left, then basically 108 is going to be the amount of phones that she started out with. Negative 23D represents, or simply means that for every day she works, she's going to have 23 less total phones to fix, right? So she'll fix 23 phones within a day. So in other words, 108 is the amount of phones that she starts out with to fix, or choice B. You could just cross this out. That's the solutions for those 4 questions right there, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed. If you want more content like this, please subscribe, give my videos a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me online on social media, follow the social media links in the description below. If you want to schedule a tutoring session, an online tutoring session, also click my website link in the description below. And yeah, with that being said, everyone, thank you so much for watching. It's been John, and I'm signing out.